I did.
Record! Cool. Mother wants you to record it. Hey! Let's... Everything's gonna... We're gonna break it and then how are we gonna get it? Let's go! Help! Did you record it? This is me, don't run together! This is me walking off, don't get Jane. We're gonna die. Oh yeah! Bring it! Move up! This is a tree that we like to climb on. It's camp. What's this? And see this boardwalk?
Red Squirrel Lake.
Squirrel Lake!
Red Squirrel Lake.
Red Squirrel Lake. Okay. Oh. These are the two trees we like to climb on. This one is called the Death of Doom. The High Striker. This is called the other Death of Doom. Hey, now record. This is us, this is me, and this is called the Death of Doom. Hope you like your record, cuz. This is me. Ah!
Hey, guys, smarten up.
Did you record?
My dog just jumped from a tree.
Did you record that?
Yeah, that was awesome. What did you do, Radar? Did you jump from a tree? What the hell are you? You're not a cat. No, we won't be able to see it till we get home.
Well, that's... we were singing, and then Radar comes up, and then she's like, whoa, whoa! Are you recording that?
No.
Bye!